What is algebra? Let's break it down the simple way. Here's something wild. You already use algebra every day. You just don't call it that. Your phone plan has a fixed fee plus $10 for every extra gigabyte. The bill says 50. So, how many extra gigs did you use? That missing number, that's a variable. You drove 2 hours, went 120 kilometers. How fast were you going? Speed is the unknown. Algebra finds it. Your sister is 5 years older than you. Together your ages add up to 25. How old are you both? See that? You just wrote algebra without even knowing it. Algebra isn't about memorizing rules. It's about finding the missing piece. And you've been doing that your whole life. So what is algebra, really? It started with one simple idea. What if we could work with a number we don't know yet? Instead of leaving a blank, we give that unknown a name. We call it X or Y or N. Any letter works. Algebra is just math where letters stand in for numbers we don't know yet. And then we find them. That's it. That's the whole thing. People have been doing this since ancient Babylon, 4,000 years ago. The word algebra itself comes from a book written around 820 AD by a guy named Al-Khwarizmi. His name is also where we get the word algorithm. Okay? Variables. Think of it like a blank in a sentence. My name is... That blank holds something. We just don't know what yet. In algebra, we call that blank X. We use letters because they're short. Instead of writing some number, we write N. Instead of the price, we write P. The letter doesn't matter. The meaning does. And here's the key thing. X can be anything. It could be 1 or 7 or 100 or 0. A variable is just a container. It holds whatever value we put in. Quick distinction. A variable changes. A constant stays the same. In 3x plus 7, the 3 and the 7 are constants. They're fixed. The x is the variable. It's the unknown. Now let's look at a whole expression. Here it is, 3x plus 7. The 3 is the coefficient. It tells you how many x's there are. The x is the variable, the unknown. The plus sign is the operator. It connects the parts. And the 7 is the constant, a fixed number. Put it all together and the whole thing is called an expression. Important. An expression is just a phrase. It doesn't have an equal sign. An equation is a sentence. It has equals, and it can be solved. Expressions just get simplified or evaluated. Quick translations. Twice a number. 5 more than x. X plus 5. Product of 4 and y. 4y. Notice we don't write the times sign. 4y just means 4 times y. Try this one. 3 times a number. Minus 4. Step 1. Call the unknown n. Step 2. 3 times means 3n. Step 3. Minus 4. Answer 3n minus 4. Apples cost $2 each. You also grab a $5 item. If n is the number of apples, your total is 2n plus 5. Buy 3 apples? Total is 11. Buy 6? Total is 17. Same expression, different inputs. You've got $20 saved and you add 15 each week. After W weeks, you'll have 15W plus 20. After 1 week, that's 35. After 10 weeks, 170. And one you've definitely seen, Celsius to Fahrenheit, F equals 9/5 C plus 32. Plug in 0, you get 32, freezing. Plug in 100, you get 212, boiling. You use algebra every time you check the weather. First mistake, thinking x always equals 10 because x is the 10th letter. Nope, x can equal anything. It's a placeholder, not a fixed value. Second, confusing 2x with x squared. 2x means x plus x. X squared means x times x. If x is 5, 2x is 10, but x squared is 25. Completely different. Third, thinking an expression needs to be solved. It doesn't. 3x plus 7 is already complete. It's a phrase. It's waiting for an x value. That's its whole job. Question 1. In 4n plus 9, what's the variable? Look for the letter. It's n. Question 2. In 7x plus 3, name the part. The 7 is the coefficient. The x is the variable. The 3 is the constant. Question 3. Write a number times 6, then plus 4. Unknown is n. Times 6 gives 6n, plus 4, 6n plus 4. Question 4. Evaluate 3x plus 5 when x is 4. Replace x with 4. 3 times 4 plus 5. That's 12 plus 5, 17. Last one. A taxi charges $3 base plus 2 per kilometer. The expression is 2k plus 3. For 8 kilometers, 2 times 8 plus 3, which is $19. Quick recap. Algebra uses letters for unknown numbers. Those letters are variables. A coefficient sits next to a variable. An expression is a math phrase. An equation has an equal sign and can be solved. Next up, we take these expressions and turn them into equations, and then we solve them. You are not bad at math. You just hadn't been shown this yet.
Okay, let's go.